Lots of heavy rain earlier, portions of Sevier County near Gatlinburg where a flash flood warning was issued. A little quieter now, but still some damp roads, certainly, and some standing water. Flood watch continues for a couple more hours through 3 o'clock in the morning, just meaning that potential is there. Not everybody will see it, but we've really seen, thankfully, a downtrend in some of that heavier rainfall over the past hour. Still moderate, if you want to say, eastern Cumberland County down through Ray County. That's about the steadiest, heaviest for now, but further to the south, we're actually seeing a little bit less activity between Chattanooga and basically South Peachtree City, which is where just south of the airport there in Atlanta. So a little better compared to where it was. Let's go from where we are now through tomorrow morning and notice the heavier rain in South Georgia looks like it's going to be weakening, moving in our direction. Still a few showers, but I don't think we're going to see that heavy rain potential as we go overnight. So the flooding threat really starting to diminish, which is good news. Still probably going to be some damp roads when you head back to work first thing tomorrow morning, and visibility is getting low in spots, about a mile or so, an area shaded in yellow, and by daybreak, there could be some patchy areas of below 1 mile visibility. I don't think it's going to be widespread because the cloud cover stays pretty thick overnight, but the atmosphere still has a lot of moisture in it. Relative humidity values are staying high. They'll stay high tomorrow. A low threat still of some flash flooding across our area and much of the southeast as well, meaning that chance is there. It's just going to be probably in small areas where these heavier downpours occur. So by 8 o'clock in the morning, again, maybe a little bit of a lull in the activity, but that doesn't last long. With some daytime heating, the showers pop back up. This is midday through early afternoon at 3 o'clock. And I'd say getting close to sunset, again, which is around 9 o'clock, these rain opportunities will quickly taper off. And by this time tomorrow night, should be mainly dry, but mainly cloudy the way it's looking. Rain opportunities still elevated by the time we get to Wednesday, but the coverage will decrease Thursday and Friday, briefly come back up Friday night to Saturday with some drier air as we get through the second half of the weekend. So right now, still elevated moisture across our area, and that stays likely through tomorrow afternoon, which is why we have the higher coverage of rain potential. Starts to decrease a little bit Wednesday. By Thursday, we're seeing this dry air trying to come in, but I still think Knoxville southward has some decent rain chances. Much the same for our Friday. Here comes the moisture back briefly Saturday morning before that push of drier air comes back to finish the weekend. So yes, the second half of the weekend looking a little bit better, especially by the time we get to Sunday. And look at Monday, upper 50s in the morning, but that's average for this time of year, but it'll feel nice.
Yes, it will. Ken, thank you. Coming up, we preview